party.
Eh?
You have a Rosalie party.
How am I guess that?
Jayden, they know what you look so they know what you just plan for just go away.
Last time I did want to go Rosalie party, I put something on my face and my neck black.
No, then oh you dress so Jayden, where you come from, where you go? I saw you wake up.
Yeah, so I wake up, you know? Feeling. So what up on your face?
Rosalie inspiration.
Oh. So why not put one black gravel on your neck?
My neck can't get no blacker, Jayden. Jayden, my neck can't get no blacker. Jayden, your outfit are bad me. Jayden, where you coming from? Where you going?
You mean me outfit about you? Rosalie neck about you?
No, that's a trouble me too, but I want to know if I saw the internet plan to attack me today.
Why?
Jayden, me ask you where you go in a jacket. And that me ask you, me not asking nothing else, no. Embassy you come from?
Also, I Wilbert, me did borrow it from. I go give you. What going on in the morning now?
No, go on, Jayden, my concern. Where you go, Jayden? You go christen?
And here's the one.
And one thing I not like with you, from you come over here so with Shay, you see me in my nails, Jayden.
Never seen you in where are the nails?
What do you mean when I have in nails? Jayden, when you hear Shebada, where you think? Tell me where rushing in your brain.
Oh. Okay. Okay, we don't have to say it.
Jayden, I want to hear. I want to hear. Jayden, you look good in a boy. God bless you.
No, do that.
No, every day I see I'm proud of you, for sure.
No, not do that. Not do that.
No, do what?
When we hear Shebada, we hear shark.
Be careful, I might not bite you. Wow.
Oh, God.
Jayden, you look better than enough away.
All right.
No, you have to look better than Jabas. Shh. You have to look better.
You rate Jabas?
Eh?
You rate Jabas?
You know, say me have no problem with Jabas. Jabas a long time, man, you know. Jabas they bought before enough of one, you know.
Eh? So long time in there, you beg?
Jayden!
Yeah.
Hey!
Yeah.
Meet it over here, sir, chat kitty.
Yeah, chat kitty?
Meet it over here, sir, chat kitty. You will tell kitty about all me over here, sir, chat. And all you have to tell me the things because the things them when me I say you have to say no, me can't say that and blah blah blah. Meet it over here, sir, chat kitty.
No, me not tell kitty that.
Jayden, you not tell kitty that.
No, me not tell kitty that.
Martin send me screen card with you a tell kitty that.
Me, you see me in a red jacket?
No, you never read it.
Honor me then.
And are you?
No, honor me. If you don't see me in a red jacket, honor me. Who near Martin?
One of my moderator, but him walk and score the internet because them give him the chain and so.
Martin want me to fall out on him. Martin don't rate me.
So I never you.
I never me, but kitty thief money for chew.
She thief it, chuchu.
Yeah.
So they not get back the money yet. Nisha not get the money yet.
No.
Then why Kitty must do something like that? I tell you, come a longer time. No, me not chat with you.
No, for real, but for real. You know, so anytime I come on to collecting money, Kitty always enough for herself.
I can't cuss Kitty and don't cuss Shay.
I cuss the two of them.
Yeah, you and Shay talk?
No, you not rate Shay.
I believe so. I not think you should have rate her either. I want girl with me not too like to, you know.
I don't like her neither.
I don't like she, I don't like Queenie, I don't even like Belgium.
No, me like Queenie. Shay, me not like. Me like Queen, me not like Shay.
Jayden, your nipple are sure. Cover yourself. Jayden, you know, say you're hot boy different than just foreign. You want God don't know what make you stay back here.
Don't.
Yeah, hot boy, no, Jayden, you look good enough so me know you.
Wait, me not, what you know what's so slow for that? Go back on Shay and Queen. Where you say no like? You know say no like?
Jayden.
Yeah, you rich Shay?
If me rich Shay, no, Shay will be glad.
You hear that Shay? You hear that?
You hear him.
You hear him? You hear him? You hear him? No?
You hear him.
Yes, man. So when I start your life, you done him.
Alright, me gonna bring him down here.
Yeah.
Alright,
Jayden, have a blessed Friday. Little more. Happy kind of people, my love you know. Jesus, me not coming back on later.